Lead generation in Google Ads is about to become a whole lot easier with journey-aware bidding. In this video, I'm going to tell you what journey-aware bidding is, how to use it, and whether or not it's the right fit for you. And my credentials to do so are I'm a Google Ads coach, ex-Googler, and Google actually invited me to be part of the announcement that journey-aware bidding is coming out of beta. So here's what you need to know. Journey-aware bidding is a new feature for search campaigns using Target CPA bidding. What it does is look at all the different micro-conversions along a journey to a customer rather than having to just focus on one. For example, let's say that you run a home renovation business. People can either call you or fill out a contact form on your website. From there, you speak to them or write them back. Maybe they become a qualified lead or not. And then after a couple of weeks, they become a customer or not. Right now, in Google Ads, you have to make a decision. Do you want to bid for phone calls, for lead forms? Maybe you only want to bid for qualified leads. Or maybe you only want to bid for customers, but there's not enough data to do so. Do you bid for all of these, some of these? Do you assign values? This is the big challenge of being a lead generation advertiser. Here's how journey-aware bidding is different. With this new feature, your bid strategy will have a semantic understanding of what these different stages of the journey mean. So you'll tell it, this is what a customer looks like. This is what a qualified lead looks like. This is what an inquiry looks like. And it will use all of those data points along the journey to inform bidding decisions. Google refers to this as a funnel-aware strategy because now you can optimize for your end goal of a closed won, a customer, while having your journey-aware bidding be aware of all those different micro-conversions that happen earlier in the funnel. Now, there are a few key things you need in order for journey-aware bidding to work for you. Firstly, at least for now, this is only compatible with search campaigns and specifically only for search campaigns using Target CPA bidding. Just like smart bidding exploration is an option when you use Target ROAS, journey-aware bidding will be an option when you use Target CPA. Next, you need to be tracking all these different stages of the journey. If you are currently only tracking an on-website or on-SERP action like calls from ads or submit lead form, you are not using Google Ads to its full potential and you will not be ready to use journey-aware bidding. You need to implement offline conversion tracking so that you bring data from your business into Google Ads to let it know which of those leads are qualified or not, which of those leads become customers, and how much those customers are worth to your business. Next, setting up those conversion actions is one thing. You need to make sure they're categorized accordingly. In Google Ads, you want to create conversion goals, if you don't have them already, for these various actions like the qualified lead goal, the converted lead goal, and make sure you're mapping the right actions to the right goals. Not only does this unlock some additional features like enhanced spam protection, but it'll also get you ready so that when you start testing journey-aware bidding, you already have these different stages of the journey ready to be aware in the bidding. So how do you know if you should use journey-aware bidding and whether or not this is right for you? Journey-aware bidding is best for advertisers who don't get enough customers every month to drive smart bidding. So if you're already getting at least 30 closed-won customers per month per campaign, then you don't need this. You have sufficient conversion data. As well, if you don't really have a conversion lag, if people tend to contact you and then either become a customer or not same day, like say if you're something like an emergency plumber, there's not a long consideration cycle, right? You're hired or not. So this isn't so much for you. This is more for advertisers who have lower volume. Maybe you only get a handful of leads a month per campaign, for example. And it's also great for advertisers who have long consideration cycles, where someone may take weeks or even months between when they first contact you and ultimately become a customer. By using journey-aware bidding, you're going to feed much more signals into your bidding algorithm to help it train and learn and optimize before it ultimately knows who the customers are. Although journey-aware bidding is specifically designed for lead gen advertisers, this could potentially be useful to you if you're an e-commerce advertiser as well. Maybe you're running a search campaign and you only get 5 or 10 purchases a month. That's not really enough information for smart bidding to work effectively, regardless of which smart bidding strategy you use. So if you're willing to use Target CPA to optimize towards purchases, you could feed in those other actions like begin checkout or add to cart as micro-conversions using journey-aware bidding. Again, it's not designed to be used that way, but it could potentially work for you and something to consider. If you are a lead gen advertiser and you are currently only optimizing towards a micro-conversion like submit lead form, then this will be a great help for you to bring those later stages of the funnel into the bidding. And if you're a lead gen advertiser who's currently using value-based bidding with lead scoring and assigned values, I don't want to say stop doing that, but this could potentially be a much easier alternative for you to just use journey-aware bidding with Target CPA instead. As you know, Google Ads changes quickly, so there's a chance that by the time you're watching this, the information in this video is out of date. And that's why I've put a link in the video description to a blog article on my website about journey-aware bidding, which I will continue to update over time as we learn more. Do you have any questions about journey-aware bidding? Drop a comment and I'll get back to you. And if you want to make sure you're up to date on the latest cutting-edge Google Ads strategies and tactics, my Inside Google Ads podcast episodes come out every Thursday. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more.